There's nowhere to bit our wee town. Hopefully you'll be back to visit soon. Better times are coming, we hate to believe. I hope we're not being naive. The Dunlop Memorial Gardens are looking great. Spring is definitely not late. It's great to see the blossoms and buds. You didn't hate to put on your new duds. Come on a wee danner with me. We'll see what we can see. Up the street we go. I'm getting on a bit, so go slow. There's plenty of fashion between the lady and the loft, and then you hit Castlecroft. On by the hairdressers and charity shops, they hae nae need any apps. Opperleys, walkers, elite, and a bite above, all of them I love. It's because of services they gie to all, that I'm happy to write this wee scrawl. Round the jeweller's corner and we'll make a wee stop. The candy store is my favourite shop. You wouldn't know by my shape. This is just a jacket, although it looks like a cape. Boys, Gult's windy is looking quarren well. It doesn't even cover all they sell. Upstairs their gifts are one of a kind. When you get a chance, check them out. You never know what you might find. Here, I hate to go, I hae another meeting. I know you want to see me, but greeting. Come to the town when you're allowed. You'll soon see why we're so proud.
Thank you for joining us as part of Ballymoney Spring Fair. My name is Carrie McLean, and today we will see spring mealtime ideas by local chef Paul McClelland. Ballymoney has many food and produce establishments within the town centre, which are sure to cater for everyone's taste. Together, we would ask you to shop, eat, enjoy local in Ballymoney. To find out about the latest offers and promotions from the town's retailers, visit Ballymoney Enjoy Our Town on Facebook.
Today we're going to make a homely dish called meatloaf. As you can see, we've got some fresh mince out of McLeister's Butchers on Victoria Street and some nice Rhinus back bacon. So we put the meat into the dish and we'll chop up some finely diced onion and some grated carrot. Mix that in together, a wee bit of seasoning, salt and pepper. And then we'll start and add the breadcrumb stuffing. Just add a wee bit at a time and mix it round and round, and then you get it binding, then add in the rest of your stuffing until you get a good composer. Then place it on to the tray and then start and line it with the Rhinus back bacon. Start at both ends with a slice at each end and then just volley right on down through the middle. Once it's on the tray, ready to go for the oven. If it's electric fan oven, it's 180. Set your oven for 180 at an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. If it's a gas oven, it's gas mark 4 for the same amount of time. And check it after the hour and you'll know by temperature probe how it's doing. So we've now had the meatloaf in the oven for 1 hour 15 minutes. So we've brought the meatloaf out and we'll slice it now for plating up, and a couple of slices on the plate, and then you can accompany the dish with whatever you wish, but today we've used baby potatoes, garden peas and broccoli and battened carrots. So we'll tray it up onto the plate and then on with the lovely rich gravy sauce. Today we used £3 of mince, and as you can see we only used a few slices, and £3 of mince would do a family of 4 to 6 people. And if you have some left over the next day, you can make a meatloaf BLT, a nice flurry bap, and then some garlic mayo and sliced tomato, sliced iceberg lettuce, and put on your meatloaf. This can be eaten cold or eaten warm. we're doing today, girls, we've got the Rice Krispies, and instead of doing baking chocolate, we're working with Galaxy chocolate, which will leave your Rice Krispie bun nice and tasty. Okay? So pour your taste in there. And Chloe, if you just like to start and mix that round with a wooden spoon. You get it all covered, the chocolate all nice and covered, just gently now. Keep stirring it all in. You just stir that around to get them all covered in chocolate. Alright, Chloe, if you want to set out your pink cases, you're on the blue ones, you're on the green ones, you set them out, you're on the yellow ones. And I'm going to show you what I want you to do. You're all watching in there, girls. Spoons like that, just all up in there. There. Can you manage all that now? Yeah. You just start to spin them all in there. And now we're going to decorate them with wee mini eggs. So if you just lift the wee egg like that, and just place it in the middle. So once we're all done, we'll let them sit and rest, cool down, and we can put them in the fridge and that'll firm up ready to eat later on or tomorrow.
Spring is a wonderful time of year. It makes us all feel like getting into gear. I tidy up in the garden and notice the buds coming out. The longer days are coming, of that there's no doubt. The lambs are skipping in the field, the farmers are planting, hoping for a good yield. The birds are nesting, preparing for the chicks, gathering up their supply of sticks. Suddenly everything looks like new. The deadness of winter is through. Spring has sprung, so come on and dance. We only get one chance.